Hey guys, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. So I just wanted to share a better walkthrough of my Wish Upon a Starfish mini folio that I posted the other night. The lighting in the hotel room was absolutely horrible. So I wanted to share that one. I did just finish the tutorial on this. For the tutorial, I used Echo Park's Magical Adventure 2 paper. Both of these were done with just like leftover pieces from other things. So it's a good project if you don't have a ton of paper. It doesn't take a ton of paper. So both of them have their little shaker on the front. Okay. The shakers are held closed with magnets. Let's just do this one first. So there's a magnet under here to hold that closed. When you open it up, we've got a flap that goes this way with a tuck spot under here, this way with another tuck spot, and then of course our little 4x4 waterfall, because I love waterfalls and I do them just about every book I do. On the other side, we've got a little half-page flap. This flips up this way. And it also flips this way with another tuck spot and then some stacked pockets. It's a really simple project. It does not take very long to make. This is the one that I'm actually doing in the tutorial. So same thing, we've got magnets underneath here. I've got, the little waterfall again. And I actually didn't mat the back side of these because it was black cardstock and I think it's fine without it being matted. There is a tuck spot underneath this waterfall in both books. So I did actually tuck one of the 4x6 cut aparts in here. Then it opens up this way. We've got a tuck spot here. It opens this way. We've got another tuck spot here. Half page flap again. Flip up. And then the flip out. With, just the stacked pockets again. So, like I said, it's really easy. It's really a fun one to do. And I actually did one as well with scraps without the shaker on the front, where I just used, this is the Doodlebug Farm paper. That I just used leftovers again from when I did my big barn album. That I just used the ephemera. It does not have anything holding it closed. It will sit closed just fine without, the shaker or anything holding it closed. So, all the steps would be the same to do it this way. You would just skip this last part where you're doing this shaker on the front. Because otherwise it is just the same. On this one, I actually pieced my front mats on my waterfall with the little 3x4 cut aparts, and then just some petite prints. I did actually mat behind this one because it's white and it kind of needs it. Flip this way, half page flap, flip up, and then out, and then our stacked pockets again. So I hope you try the tutorial. If you do, by all means, please post your project. Tag me. I want to see what you've done. And thanks for watching.